at the beginning of any project, there's a lot of boilerplate code that you have to write. You have to do a lot of things, a lot of undifferentiated tasks that are required before you even get started to build features for your customer. So you get a fully managed NoSQL database stack. You have a GraphQL interface that you can integrate into your applications, into your website. If you have IoT, you can integrate it there. You have a CMS capabilities built in, so you can directly also get the rest of the team up to speed and can operationalize. We have the possibility to integrate cloud functions. With cloud functions, you can trigger other services, notifications, emails, or whatever you want to do. For example, if a certain type of object is created, you can trigger some other services, third-party services as well. You have, with GraphQL interface, you have ways to also kind of get data into the platform with batch mutations. You have the ability to do real-time applications. All these things you can do out of the box. And the only thing that you have to do is you have to define your data model, define the relationships between object types and the fields of the object types, and then the backend basically will be fully provisioned in the cloud, including the database stack, the backend configuration, and the GraphQL interface. Why did we use GraphQL? I think GraphQL for us is a technology which, I mean, most of you know, it was developed by Facebook in 2012, then open source in 2015. GraphQL is something which has been adopted widely by also big tech companies like GitHub, Shopify, Slack, Twitter. And we believe that this is a great technology for modern applications. And it has nowadays a great ecosystem. So GraphQL is perfect for application teams, and it's actually fun to use and very intuitive, because the query itself defines like what data is coming back, and something that most developers really kind of find very intuitive from right from the start. What we have at this point in time, it allows teams to launch really fast, get an idea out of the door pretty quickly. You can actually, in a couple of hours, you can develop like a full-fledged backend with a GraphQL interface that you can integrate into your web application. And you can start managing data and operationalize immediately. It's faster to launch new products. It's faster to iterate, to extend. We have a model-first approach, so you can basically define your data model, define relationships between the different model types or object types, how we call them. And then everything is published into the cloud. It's working on AWS, which is very powerful and scalable. We have a usage-based business model, which grows with your success. I mean, if you can start small in the beginning if you don't have a lot of traffic yet, or if you're kind of trying to build something small, or you want to kind of test an idea.